Hi students, in my earlier video we have learned how to solve a pair of linear equations in two variables. Suppose a pair of equations in two variables a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Students, here see these two equations are linear equations in x and y because the power of x and y are 1. But in this case, suppose in example 1, the equation is 15 by x plus 9 by y equal to 6, 10 by x minus 3 by y equal to 1. These equations are not linear. Now let us solve these equations, transforming these equations into linear forms. For this, let us substitute 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y equal to v. Therefore, we get 15u plus 9v equal to 6. Suppose it is equation number 3. Here, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. And from 2, we can write 10u minus 3v equal to 1. Suppose it is equation number 4. So we can solve the pair of equations in two variables x, u and v by any of the method. Students, let us multiply the equation number 4 by 3 and adding with 3 we get 15u plus 9v equal to 6, 30u minus 9v equal to 3. So 9v minus 9v cancelled, that is 45u equal to 9. Therefore u equal to 9 by 45 equal to 1 by 5. Students, let us put the value of u in any of the equations. Suppose from 3 we can write 9v equal to 6 minus 15u, that is 6 minus 15 into 1 by 5. That is 6 minus 3 equal to 3. Therefore, v equal to 3 by 9 equal to 1 by 3. Students, solving equation number 3 and 4, we get the value of u equal to 1 by 5 and v equal to 1 by 3. Now let us put the value of u. So we get 1 by x equal to 1 by 5. This implies that x equal to 5. Again, 1 by y equal to v. Therefore 1 by y equal to 1 by 3. This implies that y equal to 3. Therefore the solutions are x equal to 5 and y equal to 3. Students, clearly these two equations are nonlinear. Hence, we put 1 by x equal to u. So from 1 and 2 we get 5u plus 3y equal to 4 and 15u minus 2y equal to 1. Suppose it is equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. Here we multiply the equation number 3 by 3. So we get 15u plus 9y equal to 12. Equation number 4 is 15u minus 2y equal to 1. Now let us subtract. So we get 11y equal to 11. Therefore y equal to 1. Now from equation number 3 we get 5u plus 3 into 1 equal to 4. This implies that 5u equal to 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Therefore u equal to 1 by 5. Students, what is the value of u? That is 1 by x. Hence 1 by x equal to 1 by 5. This implies that x equal to 5. Therefore x equal to 5 and y equal to 1. These are the solutions of equation number 1 and equation number 2. Let us consider the equation number 3. Let us solve 3 by root x plus 4 by root y equal to 3. 9 by root x minus 4 by root y equal to 1. Students, clearly equation number 1 and 2 are nonlinear equations in two variables x and y. To solve the equation, let us put 1 by root x equal to u and 1 by root y equal to v. Therefore, from 1 and 2, we can write 3u plus 4v equal to 3. Suppose it is equation number 3 and it is 9u minus 4v equal to 1. Suppose it is equation number 4. Students, here we are simply adding the equations 3 and 4. Therefore, 12u equal to 4. This implies that u equal to 4 by 12, that is 1 by 3. Students, now let us put the value of u in any of the equations 3 and 4. So from 3 we get 3 into 1 by 3. What is the value of u? That is 1 by 3 plus 4v equal to 3. This implies that 4v equal to 3 minus 1. Here it is 1, that is 2. Therefore v equal to 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. Students, so we get u equal to 1 by 3 and v equal to 1 by 2, which are the solutions of equation number 3 and 4. Now let us put the value of u, that is 1 by root x equal to 1 by 3. This implies that 1 by x equal to 1 by 9. Therefore x equal to 9. Similarly, we get 1 by root y equal to v. That is, what is the value of v? That is half. This implies that 1 by y equal to 1 by 4. Squaring both sides, this implies that y equal to 4. Therefore, x equal to 9 and y equal to 4 are the solutions of equation number 1 and 2. Let us consider the fourth equation. Solve 1 by x plus 2y plus 1 by 2x plus y equal to 9 by 20. Suppose it is equation number 1, and 1 by 3x plus 6y plus 1 by 4x plus 2y equal to 23 by 120. Suppose it is equation number 2. Students, the equation number 2 can be written as 1 by 3 into x plus 2y plus 1 by 2 into 2x plus y equal to 23 by 120. So we are taking common 3. So we get 3 into x plus 2y. Here we are taking 2 common. So we can write 2 into 2x plus y. Students, clearly these two equations are nonlinear equations in two variables x and y. So we have to reduce these equations into linear form. For this, let us put 1 by x plus 2y equal to u and 1 by 2x plus y equal to v. So from 1 and 2 we can write u plus v equal to 9 by 20. This implies that 20u plus 20v equal to 9. Suppose it is equation number 3. Students, from equation number 2 we can write this is u by 3 plus v by 2 equal to 23 by 120. This implies that LCM is 6. 2u plus 3v equal to 23 by 120. Here 6 120 cancelled, it is 20. So we can write 40u plus 60v equal to 23. Suppose it is equation number 4. Now let us multiply the equation number 3 by 2. So we can write 40u plus 40v equal to 18. Now let us subtract. So 40u minus 40u cancelled. Therefore 20v equal to 5. This implies that v equal to 5 by 20 equals to 1 by 4. Therefore from 3 we can write 20u plus 20 into 1 by 4 equal to 9. This implies that 20u plus 5 equal to 9. This implies that 20u equal to 4. This implies that u equal to 4 by 20, that is 1 by 5. Students, so we can write 1 by x plus 2y equal to 1 by 5. This implies that x plus 2y equal to 5 and 1 by 2x plus y equal to 1 by 4. This implies that 2x plus y equal to 4. Students, let us consider the equations are 5 and 6. Now multiplying the equation number 5 by 2, we can write it is 2x plus 4y equal to 10 and 2x plus y equal to 4. We are simply subtracting equations number 2 into equation number 5 and 6. So let us subtract these two equations. We get 3y equal to 6. This implies that y equal to 2. Now from equation number 5 we can write x equal to 5 minus 2y, that is 5 minus 2 into 2 equal to 1. Therefore x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Which are the solutions of equations number 1 and 2? Students, in this video you have learned how to solve a pair of nonlinear equations in two variables. For this, we simply substitute suitably. Students, to learn the process how to solve and how to simplify any nonlinear equations into linear form, you have to follow the video from beginning to end. Thank you for watching the video.